Nutrition. Another important chapter, nutrition. In lower classes, already you studied some important points about the nutrition chapter. Actually, how can we define the nutrition? What is nutrition? What is nutrition? Nutrition means just process of taking of nutrients, taking of nutrients into the body. Is called nutrition process. Yes. Observe, nutrition means it is a process. It is a process. Process of taking of nutrients into the body is called nutrition. Here process means it is a very important life process. It is a very important life process. Understanding? Observe carefully. Nutrition is an important life process. It is also called as biological process. Physiological process. Physiological process. Here each and every organism should perform nutrition process. Each and every living organism should perform the nutrition process. Why? Why it has importance in living organism? What is the use of the nutrition in living organism? What is actually in living organism? There are number of functions or there are number of activities. There are number of functions or activities in living organisms. To perform the function or any activity, living organisms should produce energy. They should produce their energy. Actually, from where or from which material energy is liberated? Actually, from the food material, energy is liberated. Cells can break the food material and release the energy. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Means energy means energy is produced from the food material. Energy is produced from the food material. Food materials means nutrient. For example, carbohydrate, protein, lipid or fat, all these type of nutrients are broken down to produce the energy. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. These are usually called as nutrients. Some organisms can prepare their nutrients. Some organisms can prepare their own nutrients. Some organisms take the nutrients from the other organism. From the other organism. You know, some organisms they synthesize, okay, or they develop, synthesize, or produce. Some organisms produce their own food material or their own nutrient. Own nutrient. Understanding? Own no, they produce their own nutrient. But some organisms cannot produce their own nutrient. Okay, some organisms cannot produce their food material. Observe one. Some organisms cannot produce their own food, own nutrients or food materials. They should depend on the other organisms to get the nutrients. They should depend on the other organisms to take the nutrients. Okay, next. Next, based on their food habits, organisms mainly autotrophs, what? Autotrophs, heterotrophs. Autotrophs and heterotrophs. What are autotrophs? What are autotrophs? Autotrophs means organisms which can prepare their own food material. Organisms which can prepare their own food material. They are called autotrophs. Which can prepare their own food material. Are called as autotrophs. Okay. Examples are green plants, for example, euglena, all green plants and euglena. Next, heterotroph. Heterotrophs means organism which are dependent on other organisms. Other organism for food material. Organ, organ, heterotrophs. Examples: animals. Observance. Okay, next, heterotrophs are again different types. Heterotrophs are again different types. For example, parasites, parasites में organism which are dependent on organisms which are dependent on other living organisms. Other living organisms without killing it. Without killing, which are dependent on other living organisms without killing them, are called parasites. Example, life. Example, life. Understanding. Parasite. Life. Best example is this. Next, leech. Next, kaskuta. Okay. Okay, next. Saprophyte. Next. What? Saprophyte. Saprophyte means organisms which are dependent on dead and decaying matter. Dead and decaying matter are called saprophyte. Examples, fungi. Examples, best examples are fungi and some bacteria. Okay, here. Observe one, saprophyte. Organisms which are dependent on the dead and decaying matter, they are called saprophyte. Examples, fungi, bacteria. Okay, now let us study about autotrophs or autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophs means they can prepare their own food material. How can they prepare? By performing the photosynthesis process. By performing the photosynthesis process, autotrophs can prepare their own food material. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Next, water. Sunlight. These type of materials are these type of components are involved in this process. Observe carefully. Carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, sunlight. These are used in photosynthesis process by autotroph. Actually, different types of photosynthetic pigments are present. What? Photosynthetic pigments are present. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll, and chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are important. Next, xanthophyll. Next, carotene. Chlorophyll, blue-green color. Xanthophyll, yellow color. Carotenoids, orange color. This type of photosynthetic pigments are also present in chloroplast. In last classes already we studied chloroplast. What? Chloroplast. What is chloroplast? It is a cell organelle. What is cell organelle? This is stroma. Grana. Next, observe carefully. This is DNA. DNA, single DNA molecule, double, single membrane. This is single one, only one. Double, next, double stranded. Circular. This type of DNA is also present. Next, a small ribosome. They are 70S ribosome. The 70S ribosome. These are important ones. Thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid membrane. Thylakoid membranes are two types. Thylakoid membranes are how many types? Two types. First one, grana thylakoid. Grana thylakoid. Next, stroma. Thylakoid. Grana thylakoid means here and there membranes of the chloroplast are arranged one above another and form heap-like structure. These are called here grana thylakoid or grana. Stroma means fluid-filled space contain the heterogeneous material, listen carefully here. Stroma thylakoids mean, what are stroma thylakoids? Grana thylakoids mean membranes of the thylakoid talk one above another and form bundle-like structures. These are called grana. Next here, fluid-filled space is present. This fluid-filled space is called stroma. Between the two grana, one type of thylakoid membranes are extended. These are called usually stroma lamellae. Stroma lamellae. Okay. Here, this is the outer membrane. This is inner membrane. Between the two membranes, fluid-filled space is present. It is called actually periplastidial space. Periplastidial space. Okay, observe one. Okay, observe. All these pigments, photosynthetic pigments, are present in a specialized cell organelle present inside of the cell. That is chloroplast. What? Chloroplast. When we observe the structure of the chloroplast, it is surrounded by two membranes, and inside of the chloroplast, thylakoid membranes are present. Here and there, those membranes are stacked one above another and forms the stalks of the thylakoid membranes. These are called actually grana. Two grana are connected with one type of thylakoid membrane. These are called soma lamellae or soma lamellae or soma thylakoid. Soma thylakoid. Next, inside of the soma, DNA molecule is present. That is single, only one DNA molecule. Okay. In our body, approximately 46 DNA molecules are present in each and every cell. In each and every cell. This DNA is single, double stranded, next circular. Understanding? Thylakoid membrane, grana thylakoid, soma thylakoid. Okay, this is observed. Next, another important one is after photosynthesis process. Food material is synthesized inside of the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are also called as kitchen of the cell. Because inside of the chloroplast, complete breakdown process takes place, and Observe carefully. Next, here what will happen? Observe once. Photosynthesis process. Once observe. In photosynthesis, what will happen? Actually, food material is synthesized inside of the chloroplast. Listen, food material is synthesized inside of the chloroplast. How many? Chlorophyll pigment is present in thylakoid membrane, in grana and soma lamellae. Chlorophyll pigment is present. This chlorophyll pigment traps the solar energy. Listen carefully. Chlorophyll pigment. For example, imagine these are the chlorophyll pigment molecules. These are the chlorophyll pigment molecules. These chlorophyll pigment molecules trap the solar energy and they convert the solar energy into the other form. First, we have to know another important point about the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis. This process has two main steps. First one, light reaction. Second one, dark reaction. Light reaction process takes place in thylakoid membrane. Dark reaction takes place in stroma. During the light reaction process, here light reaction means light dependent reaction. It is light independent reaction. To start the light reaction, to conduct the light reaction, light should be present. Light should be present. Without light, these reactions are not occur. That is why these are called light reaction. During the light reaction, what will happen? Different types of pigment. For example, chlorophyll molecule. Okay, chlorophyll. Here, observe. Chlorophyll traps the solar energy. Traps the solar energy or light energy. Then chlorophyll converts the solar energy into the chemical energy. And this chemical energy is stored in the form of the ATP. Stored in the form of ATP. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine. What ATP means? Adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Observe carefully. What is the full form of the ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. This is the full form of the ATP. Here chemical energy is stored in the form of the ATP. During the light reaction, chlorophyll pigment traps the solar energy. And converts the solar energy into chemical energy. This chemical energy is stored in the form of ATP. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. Here, in addition to ATP, another one, NADPH. ATP, NADPH, nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide phosphate. This is the full form of the NADPH. What is NADPH? Nicotinamide adenosine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen. This is very important. Energy form. These are also called as assimilatory energy. ATP is also called as energy currency. Energy currency. What? ATP molecule. ATP molecule. Next, during the light reaction, water molecule is broken down into the 2H plus 2 electrons plus half O2. Half O2. Glucose molecule is broken down into like this. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Water molecule is broken down into the 2H plus 2 electrons half O2. Okay. Here, next dark reaction. It is light independent reaction. To start the dark reaction, there is no need of the light. Dark reaction is taken place inside of the stroma. Inside of the stroma. During the dark reaction, what will happen? What will happen? During the dark reaction, carbon dioxide molecules are combined together and form the glucose, C6H12O6. Here, carbon dioxide molecules are condensed and form the glucose. Here, ATP molecule and NADPH molecule. These two assimilatory power help in conversion of carbon dioxide into the glucose. Understanding? ATP, NADPH produced in the light reaction, they are utilized to combine the carbon dioxide molecules, 6 carbon dioxide molecules into the glucose. This is important one. Okay, remember, important. Observe one. Okay, observe. ATP and NADPH, these are used to convert the carbon dioxide molecules into the glucose. Now this formed glucose, glucose molecules are combined one with another or glucose molecules are combined together and form a polysaccharide chain. Polysaccharide here these bonds are usually glycosidic bonds. Glycosidic bond. These are usually glycosidic bonds. By glycosidic bond, one glucose molecule synthesized in last activity. Listen carefully here. Glycosidic bonds are present between the two glucose molecules. Okay. Next, in produced flour, in produced food material or glucose. In produced food material or glucose, some amount is utilized by plant itself. Why? Means to release energy, in produced food material or glucose. In produced food material or glucose, some amount is utilized by plant itself to release the energy. Remaining additional one, remaining additional food material is stored in different parts of additional food is stored in different parts of plant. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Additional food material is stored in different parts of the plant. Okay. Observe once. Here we can write the equation for the photosynthesis. 6 carbon dioxide molecules, 6 carbon dioxide. Next to 12 H2O. 12 H2O gives rise to chlorophyll. Next, sunlight. Next, C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O.